Welcome everyone to the part 5 of Steps of Curriculum Design, which is selection and organization of learning experiences. I am Dr. Sonika from Isabella Thoban College, Lucknow. In earlier videos, we studied about how the content is to be selected and how it is to be organized. Obvious next step is the learning experiences which needs to be provided to the students so that that content can be transacted. These learning experiences can be various teaching methods or various other types of activities which are there in the school. So when we select a learning experience, there are certain points which need to be kept in mind. It should be based on aims and objectives of the curriculum. That is, the content should be based on, or the learning experiences to be provided, they should be based on aims and objectives. They should enable the student to apply knowledge in daily lives. Only theory will not suffice. There has to be certain practical experience along with the theory. Learning experiences or learning methods, they should be feasible in terms of time and resources because there is limited time in the schools to transact the curriculum. If such methods are chosen which are very time consuming, then the teachers are not able to complete the syllabus in time. So time and infrastructure and other resources, they are to be kept in mind while selecting the learning experiences. Whoever is transacting the curriculum or the syllabus, or in simpler terms, whoever is teaching in the school should be trained enough to deal with such children. There is different type of training for primary students and different type of training for higher students. So the teacher should be trained to deal with children. Teaching methods, they should be according to the needs and interest of the students. It is a common knowledge that those methods which involve maximum senses of the students are the most usable or are the most beneficial. That is, when students are able to do something, then the learning will be maximum. If they are only hearing teachers speak, then the learning will be minimum. So needs and interest of the students are to be kept in mind while selecting the learning experiences. Whichever teaching method or experience is chosen, it should develop all domains of knowledge, that is cognitive domain, affective domain and psychomotor domain should be developed through those teaching methods. Learning experience should stimulate understanding of the self. Understanding of the self is the understanding of the child as an individual and as a member of the group and society. That means social development of the child should be taken care of whenever teaching methods or whenever the teacher is teaching. Teaching methods or learning experiences should foster an openness to the new experiences. The child should be open to experiencing something new and should not look for the traditional type of things, the traditional types of experiences. Learning experiences should enable the development of critical thinking and rationality. Child should be able to apply knowledge and wisdom to understand the concepts and see them in a new light of things. After the learning experiences has been selected, then comes that how those learning experiences are to be organized. They are generally organized on the basis of learning conditions in schools, on the basis of possibility of classroom interaction, on the basis of development level of. Then when we organize the learning experience, we also have to keep in mind that we are taking care of those sequencing and integration of content and learning experiences affects the classroom methodologies or school administration or both. The most effective sequencing and integration of learning experiences and content depends upon dependable knowledge, about how the knowledge is acquired, and about how it is accumulated over time. It also depends on how this knowledge can be best organized for easy recall. Many a times, Sequencing and integration and organization of learning experience is also decided by the size and scope of units and how the units are interrelated to each other. That means it is quite important that we select the learning experience on the basis of certain criteria which we discussed, and organizing of the learning experiences becomes all the more important for effective transaction of curriculum. Thank you everyone for watching this video. In next video, we'll talk about the evaluation of the curriculum.